Here you can see how copied the pattern and the grid on this material, and each box measures 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch by 1 inch, and anybody with basic sewing skills can do it. So let's start sewing the design. Here you can see this diagonal line, and when you start sewing you need to forget about the grid, only consider this line. So this is how I'm sewing. Go inside and come up, pull the thread, go to the other end of the line, go inside and come up and pull the thread. So here you can see the thread has formed a line. So what we have to do, we need to pull the thread, okay, and I'm going to secure it by sewing over a few times as usual. So when you sew all the diagonal lines, the other side will turn to a designed side. So the other side will looking like this. You see this? And I'm going to move on to the next line. You can sew any line you see which is the nearest to the first point. So I'm going to sew this line same way like I did before, and I pull the thread, and remember to leave an extra length of thread in between each sewing point. You see this? One sewing point, other sewing point, and I left the thread loose here, so the thread is not pulling tight. If the thread pull it tight, the design will not be looking the way it has to be. So here I secure the thread, and let's watch the other side. So here you can see one line, other line. So I'm moving on to the third point. So here our target is to sew all the diagonal lines you see in the pattern. So well, that's it. I see you in a minute. Finally, the design is supposed to be looking like this, and I used some pins on 4 sides to keep the plates in position. And now we are going to use 4 pieces of fabric which is of a different color, and it measures 60 centimeter in length and 15 centimeter by width. So I'm going to sew that on its 4 sides. Like this, by leaving a 30 by 30 centimeter in the middle. That means the designed part will be 30 by 30 centimeter. So the other color is supposed to be 10 centimeter in width, so we can have a 40 centimeter cushion cover.